The first lab-grown meat is coming on the market, and this will be an absolute revolution for food production and agriculture. I have this article up from CNBC talking about the first lab-grown chicken being served. So this restaurant will be the first ever to serve lab-grown chicken for $23. So the shift to growing meat in incubators and facilities from cell cultures rather than on living animals will be hugely transformative. It will require a lot less energy and calories to support meat that's just sitting around in incubators growing in vats of bioreacting liquid than to support live living animals, because the animals have to use calories to live and burn and go to functions that don't go directly to the meat. So it'll be a huge reduction in the resources needed, not just calories and feed, but also water and land area especially. So this will just be a huge revolution in food production and dramatically reduce the resources needed to produce meats. So anyway, let's read the article. On Saturday, lab-grown chicken made by U.S. startup Eat will make its historical debut at restaurant 1880 in Singapore after the country's food agency approved the sale of the cultured meat. The lab-grown chicken will be the first cultured meat sold and served at a restaurant, according to a press release from Eat. At 1880, which is known for innovative menus and socially conscious members, according to its website, will be available in a trio of sample dishes. Bouillon with crispy sesame, cultured chicken and spring onion, phyllo, a puff pastry with cultured chicken and black bean persay, and a crispy mappe waffle with cultured chicken and spice hot sauce. Yeah, I don't know the details of Singaporean culinary dishes. It sounds good, just on the surface. The trio will cost about $23. Joss Tetrick, co-founder and CEO of Eat Just, tells CNBC Make It. Tetrick, who founded the company in 2011, says the company started developing cultured chicken using animal cells in 2016. Since 2011, the company has raised $300 million to date and was last valued at $1.2 billion. To create the product, a small amount of animal cells are taken from poultry. The cells are then fed nutrients like amino acids, carbohydrates, minerals, fats, and vitamins. From there, the cells are grown into meat at a rapid rate using a bioreactor. From start to finish, the process takes about 14 days to create cultured chicken. That's faster than traditional chicken, which takes 45 days. Eat Just has manufacturing facilities in both Northern California and Singapore to produce the product. Well, Tetrick will not disclose how much it costs to make good chicken. He says the company isn't making any money with the current price. We didn't set it at a cost where we're making money, but we do think we are in a place where we can continue to scale up. Tetrick says Eat Just has been working toward gaining regulatory approval from the US and other countries. Tetrick adds that it took the Singaporean government more than 2 years to approve cultured chicken for sale. They appointed a safety panel, they looked at the quality of the cell line, the process of the manufacturing, and determined that it is safe. While the Food and Drug Administration and the U.S. Department of Agriculture has overseen the regulation of cell-based seafood since 2019, cultured meat, like plant-based meat products, will likely face opposition from traditional meat producers, such as the U.S. Cattlemen's Association, according to a CNBC report. In addition to regulatory approval, high production costs is one of the biggest barriers to lab-grown meat startups face. According to Bloomberg, it costs $400 to $2,000 a kilogram to make cultivated meat. In 2013, Dutch startup Mosa Meat said it cost $280 to make a lab-grown burger, but more recently has found a way to bring costs down. By 2021, Mosa Meat says it hopes to sell its lab-grown patties at around $10, according to Reuters. By 2030, the cell-based meat market is projected to reach $140 billion, according to forecast company Blue Horizon Corp. Well, that's it for the article. So, cultivated meat produced from cell cultures is now officially on the market and is being served to menus in Singapore. And this marks a beginning in the revolution in food production that's going to transform the resource use and how we produce our food products. Well, that's it.